Here is an AI rubber duck debugging website I found out about last spring. Well, I forgot all about it until today. I was doing some work in the AI class I'm taking from the University of Nebraska at Omaha, and I thought, oh, this would make a good little assignment. So, should you go in to ChatGPT or whoever and ask the AI to completely do your assignment for you? Well, you could, but you won't learn anything. However, if you've made your best effort, and when you log in, there is no login. You just have to log in. I think they're tracking how many people use it, that sort of thing. So I have an odd and even number program that is not giving me odd and even numbers. This program does not give me odd or even numbers. Or you could just say the program isn't working. Now, if you press enter at this point, it's going to try to answer the question based on that. So with any AI chat interface, you want to use Shift Enter to enter in your code. So it's a small program, so I'm going to copy and paste my code in there and see what the rubber duck has to say. Now, the rubber duck is not going to tell you the answer. It's going to ask you questions, which is called Socratic questioning, meaning it asks questions until you can figure out what's going on. It says the condition if number modulus 3 is equal to 1 is not correct. They're just saying, he's saying it's not correct. How do you think you can correctly check if a number is odd? Well, that at least points out where the issue is, and it gives you an idea of what to do. And of course, obviously the answer is if number is modulus 2, number modulus 2 equals to 1. Yes. So it helps you figure out what's going on. It offers some explanation. It asks questions. You can do the same thing with ChatGPT. If you go to, I'm just going to use ChatGPT as an example. I'm going to copy this whole prompt. There we go. I'm going to copy this prompt to ChatGPT and see how that works. Now, ChatGPT is just going to fix it unless you say ahead of time, act as a computer science tutor. This is called context. How do you want the ChatGPT AI to work? As a computer science tutor, please ask me questions to help me figure out the issue on my own. Then I'll paste in the code. Now that's not going to give me the answer. Yep, see, this is different. What operation? Oh, actually, yeah, I don't need to get plus. But actually, this actually does a better the job than the other one. So try ChatGPT too. Just make sure you put that prompt ahead of it. And that will, oh, I left out the T there for some reason. And that will have you see how it asks you questions, which is like a tutor should do. A tutor should not give you the answer. The tutor should give you questions to help you figure it out on your own.